Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can get this color flicker effect on CapCut. So you don't need to use any overlay, but you can just use this video effect from CapCut. So here, after you add your video, just go to effects, click on the video effects, and here on the trending, you'll easily spot the color flicker. But if you want to find it, you can just swipe, then click on the dark category, and here is the color flicker. So click on the effect. Here you can always adjust it more. You can change the color of the flicker, adjust the sharpness, the glow, atmosphere, and also the intensity and speed. I'm going to make it faster. And here just click on a check icon and don't forget to adjust the length of the effect. So this is the color flicker effect. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks button. Bye.